What are you guys doing? Checking out the place, huh? Checking out the free flight site. Plenty to see, lots of space for flying. Get used to this, huh? We'll fly here. A little lesser blind spots compared to the house. Let's do a little recall. Come. Good bird, Omega. Nice one. Wanna go back to the perch? Good bird. Alpha. Oh, don't get from Omega. Alpha. Don't steal. Come on. Omega, got another one here. Nice one. Good bird. Good bird. Back to the perch. Good bird. Alpha. Don't be a lazy bird. Come on. Do some warm-up flights. Alpha. Omega. That's my strong flyer. Good bird. You wanna go back? Perch? That's my boy. How are you guys doing? You guys doing well? Have another one. You want one? Want one? Here you go. Omega. Oh. Come. Good bird. Sit. Uy. Ang duha naglambing. Come. Good bird. Perch. Alpha. Alpha, come. Alpha. Come. Good girl. Good girl, Alpha. Pretty girl. Pretty birdie. Perch. Perch. Not yet ready? Sorry. When you're done, hi, let me know. Alright, perch. Good girl. Oops. Alpha. Come. Good girl, Alpha. Omega. Hello. Perch. That's my girl. Come, come. How about you, Perch? That's my boy. Oh, good birds. Eh? Good birds. Wait, wait. There you go. How about you? Are you a good boy? Are you a good boy? Huh? Are you a good boy? Step up. Good bird.
Is that your bird?
Yep, it's mine.
Can I touch it?
Good bird, Omega.
Wow, they are beautiful.
Can I touch it?
You might bite, but you can come close.
There's a dog, huh?
There are goats in the neighborhood. Are you scared of goats? Are you scared of goats? Huh?
They are beautiful.
Alright. 1, 2, 3, fly. Huh? Alpha! Alpha! Up! Over here! Nice one! Come on! Nice one! Alpha! Almost! Up, landing on a tree. Alpha! Alpha! Very good. Nice one, girl. Nice one. Alpha, come. Good girl. Good girl, Alpha. Good girl. Ooh, good girl. That's a good girl. That's my girl.